Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on the Wolfbox G850 Dash Camera and I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and what should end to know whether or not this dash camera is worth it or not. The Wolfbox G850 is a popular rear-view mirror dash camera that offers a large 12-inch touchscreen display, and its core purpose is to replace the traditional rear-view mirror with a live feed from the front and rear camera, providing a wider field of view and eliminating blind spots. The front camera records in 4K resolution while the rear captures in 1080. The device is also equipped with a super capacitor, which is a major pro ensuring durability and reliability in extreme temperatures. While the G850 offers a sleek integrated design and useful features like GPS tracking and parking monitoring, it has several notable drawbacks. The rear camera's video quality and its lower frame rate can be disappointing, especially at night. Some reviews also report that the front camera's quality is not a true 4K, making it difficult to read license plates. The base model also lacks Wi-Fi, making it a hassle to transfer video files to your phone or computer. The Wolfbox G850 is a decent option for drivers who want the functionality of a digital rear view mirror and are on a budget. However, for those who need a reliable dashcam for evidence, the video quality may be a deal breaker. The newer G850 Pro and G900 Pro models offer significant upgrades in video quality and features like Wi-Fi and ADAS, making them a much better investment for a slightly higher price. For a reliable dashcam, it may be better to choose a different model. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.